Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am So. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some easy, simple, delicious guacamole. All right, so let's get started on our holy moly guacamole. First, you'll need some cilantro, avocados, a mixing bowl, tomatoes, jalapenos, and an onion. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on your post notifications for every time I post a new recipe. All right, so let's just be honest. There is no right or wrong way to make classic guacamole, but the best way to tackle the recipe is to get all of your ingredients ready first. You're going to leave the avocado prep last. The reason for that, because once oxygen actually hits the avocados, it oxidizes and becomes brown. So now you're gonna start with your cilantro. You're gonna chop it up finely because you need small pieces of your cilantro. And then you're gonna place that to the side. You're going to do the same exact thing with the jalapeno. I chop my jalapeno up finely because I like to give it a hint to the guacamole. I don't like people to define exactly what it is, but they know it's a spice behind it that gives you that extra kick. So we chop that up finely. We place that to the side as well with the cilantro. Guacamole isn't supposed to be just completely creamy. We want guacamole, so the guacamole needs to come with texture. We have texture, we have smooth, we have creamy, we have rough textures within our guacamole. The next step we're going to do is grab our tomato. We're going to dice our tomatoes into bigger chunks. I didn't have a Roma tomato, which is preferred with guacamole, but whatever tomato you like, if you would like to add a cherry tomato, it doesn't matter. Tomato is a tomato. So we chop those up, but we leave those in bigger chunks because you want more texture in the guacamole. A lot of people aren't fans of raw onion. Me, preferably, I like onions. I love it in a good salad. Of course, guacamole. I chose the yellow onion, although you can substitute and use a red onion. It's up to you, but it is optional. Fun fact, did you know if you wash your onion off prior to cooking, the aroma of the onion isn't as potent, so your chances of burning your eyes are minimized. I didn't get a chance to actually pit the avocado on camera. Make sure when you do decide to pick your avocados, it is ripe. And you could tell that by pushing down the avocado. And if it feels soft within the inside, then you know your avocado is ripe and it is ready for use. No need to actually chop up the avocado because what I did was use my pestle and mortar bowl. And then I smashed up the avocado once I placed it in the bowl. So if you do not have a pestle and mortar bowl, you can use a bowl with a fork. It doesn't matter. Your guacamole will still taste the same. Guacamole is great with tortilla chips, of course, a piece of toast, a BLT. Use it as a spread. Use it, but don't abuse it. Guacamole is amazing. You can use it in so many different ways. So you guys just do what you do with the guacamole. And if you guys come up with another recipe to add in addition to the guacamole, comment below and let me know. So I know I did give you guys a lot of ideas with guacamole and other ways to eat the guacamole. You can add it to your tacos, of course. Tacos. Don't forget your tacos. Tacos. All right, so while mixing up the ingredients, you'll add salt, pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper to heighten those flavors. Don't forget to add your lime juice. Continue mixing it all together. There you have it. If you guys love this simple recipe, don't forget to comment below and let me know how you feel about it and what other ideas you'd like to bring to the table with the guacamole. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. If it ain't soul food, it ain't soul's way.